First of all, what the hell is Annabella talking about? Well, let's just go here. This will do. Just a little reminder, 122 results for Candy Floss Maker. That's got 1,000 reviews, 150 reviews. These products are selling a lot. Okay, just a little, go out there and do some research. So what is this first and foremost? So here it is, $19.99. It's got that little thing has been squished out, $29.99, and it looks good on your listing. Was $29.99, now is $19.99. So that is the question. How the hell do you do that? It's actually very, very easy. But before I show you, here's a caveat. In Australia specifically, you must be careful doing this. The ACCC has clamped down massively on people who try and do these prices without actually have had the stock on sale at that pre-price, okay? Because they don't want you, and you shouldn't, of course, they don't want you to try and unethically defraud your customers by getting them to think something that's just not true. So you want to make sure, just be careful, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. You don't, because if ACCC comes after you and sees it, and ultimately they're going to go after Amazon and going to come after all of us, So you want to make sure you've got all your ducks in a row. You want to be able to say, yes, I had that product at that original price, $29.99, and here's when I had it at that price, and now it's at this new price, okay? Just make sure you cover yourself when you do that. All right. Where are we? Let's see if we can find something. Nope. Yes. All right. So I am on the product detail page of a listing with all this different information. You want to come to the offer tab. Dun, dun, dun. And it's just done from here. It's done from here. So you've got your price. Let's just pull this over. Which is this price here. That's your price on your Sell Essential, okay? Your price is that price right there. The was price is the manufacturer's suggested retail price. So for this particular listing here, if that was $49.95, that's a simple way of achieving that strike through, okay? That's a simple way of achieving that strike through like that. And it does, it looks good. Looks good, look, because you get a little bit of extra real estate for it. It looks good. We all like a sale. We all like that. So that's one way of doing it. Of course, the other way is simply to put it on sale here. And that would achieve a similar thing. Make sure you set a start date and end date, of course. But you could also achieve it that way as well. But it shows up in a different place. So pretty easy to do. I don't think it used to be anything else. Do it as, oh, Andrew actually wants me to change it. There you go, Andrew. There you go. There you go. Andrew's on the call. That's his listing. So he's just getting me. I'll just get rid of that for you, so nobody can see that for you. So that's how you do it. Dead easy. I can't think of anything else. Look. So they've done that with a sale price. Like put it on sale. Dead easy. But so there's two ways you can do it. Both work as effectively to get you want to do it. To get you to do it. Dead easy. Does Amazon charge their fees on the original price for sale? No, they charge it on the price that somebody pays for the product. That's what Amazon charges its fees on. So in this instance, $19.99, not $29.99. That's what Amazon charges its fees on. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.